Well, it's back on the I-40 that I've been pretty much on since Arizona. Took a little jaunt off that path to go up to Missouri, Branson, and then the northern Arkansas area in the Ozarks. Back on the 40, and today heading from Little Rock over to Forest City, basically because the plan was to have about a week where we would stay in the state park where we were, but they wouldn't allow more than 2 weeks, and we would have to leave for like 3 days. Then it was inconvenient, so we went to Little Rock. Well, they didn't have any more days after like 3, so this is a fun. This will be a fun 6 days in just a random small town, Forest City. Well, at least it's random from my point of view, and particularly this RV park because they have excellent Wi-Fi reviews. So I can't wait to stream stuff. I've got a bunch of my accounting homework to do, and of course work, and then also uploading videos. So really nice to have some good internet for a while. Plus 6 days in a spot with no real places to go be a tourist at. So it's a nice time to hunker down and enjoy some streaming and enjoy getting a bunch of work done. So I have a little setup going for the dogs. Bobby got this little shade thing for them to hang out in, and because Chase just likes to hang out outside all the time. So I got my chair here, I got my computer plugged into my bin over there. Pearl's hanging out too. Hey, sweetie. They got their water bowl, and I am working on accounting homework for my accounting class I'm taking. So there's a big rain cell outside, and to try to keep these guys dry, Chase has a trash bag that's been cut halfway open. He's getting all frisky about it. And then Pearl's is more of a poncho style. Chase, don't scratch it. No, don't scratch. Stacey, you can use that. Here, scratch your arm. Come here, come on, let's go. I'm not sure the non-poncho style one's gonna work very well. Well, I bought a triple XL jacket at Petco or PetSmart for Pearl, but it totally didn't work for her. Her chest and shoulders are too tall, and her back is way too long for this. She hated it, and I can imagine it was pulling in her armpits. So I reverted to just using their dry blankets. These are just meant to keep them warm, but they also keep them dry. And then when we come back from a really soggy walk, I can throw it in the washing machine or in the dryer and dry them up. Daisy? You ready? Chase looks like Little Red Riding Hood, and Pearl looks like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Not intentionally, but it happens to look that way. You guys ready for a walk? Is it walkie time? Yeah! Walkie time! Good dogs. I've noticed that over time, my Schwintek slides have gotten a bit of gunk in them. It's maybe either collected on the grease that I put in there. Of course, it's dry grease, or just from sitting out. It has little grooves that, you know, face upward and dust lands on it. So I'm out here with a toothbrush and a bowl of soapy water, working on my slides, and they're coming clean very nicely. I've got a new rule of thumb. If I have any free time, clean. Clean anything, any chance you get. There's always something to do, and the more you keep up with it, the better. I was just in my bathroom and I cleaned my shower. I scrubbed, cleaned out, and disinfected everything in my bathroom, including the shower floor especially. That gets a little bit of mildew buildup. Went down there with bleach. I took this toothbrush and I went in between the tracks of the where the shower doors go. Man, it's like sparkly and crisp in there. You can still see on some of these, there's a little bit of dirt remaining in a couple. I'm gonna go back and get all of them. Well, now that this is dry, I'm going to re-lube this. It's good to always have it lubed. And if you happen to have a Schwintek, which is a slide mechanism with this kind of rail, you have to get one that says PTFE on it. That's Teflon. Dry lube PTFE. There's other brands, this is just WD-40, but you want to get this one. So like I said, when you can clean something, clean it. So as I was cleaning these, I had the toothbrush out, I was cleaning all these little details up there, and then I was like, screw it. I got out my Castile soap spray, sprayed it down, washed it, so all of the, and then waxed it. So all of these, just on this slide, are waxed and washed. I washed the roof recently, so if I wash my RV soon, which I hope I do, I'm gonna pull this slide in so it doesn't get dirty, and wash the rest. Feels pretty darn good. Also, as I was dumping my tanks, I used some wipes to clean around here, cleaned up in here, down in here where sometimes the rain gets in there and it pushes dirt in. Clean that all up. Wipe the doors, and even clean down in here. Always clean something. So there's one more item that I want to take care of before hitting the road tomorrow, and that is getting my pressures, tire pressures, back to being equal. They've been pretty darn good, but there's 3 tires that are like consistently a certain number below the others. So I'm going to address those. So this one's usually about 8 points below the others, showing at about 62. So I'm going to put it up to 70. And then this one and the other back outside truck wheel is usually about 2 points underneath everything else. We're at 82 here, so I'll put it up to 85. I think that's what this one's usually at. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to catch more upcoming videos. And then while you're at it, there's a bell icon that's next to the subscribe button. That, if you click that, it'll notify you when new videos are posted. Otherwise, you won't get notified. And next week, no regular video because it is Thanksgiving, so it's a holiday week. However, I still have school next week online. But so I want to take the time now to express my gratitude to you. I'm so thankful that you guys join me on my journeys and adventures, and I'm also thankful that you enjoy the videos and tune in. So thank you guys so much. Happy holidays, and we'll see you soon.